What is up, guys? Back with another video. Today I got the hood popped open because we're gonna be installing this right here, some hybrid racing detent springs, which are supposed to help with the shifting and the precision feeling of it, make it more precise, more stiff. Got these like heavy duty detent springs. Applications right here, it says for the 18 to 21 Civic 1.5 2.T turbo manual transmission only. So any of you guys that have the hatches with the 1.5T, the SIs, the base models with the 1.5T manual transmission, even the Type Rs, if you guys have manual transmission and a 10th generation Civic, you can install this right here. And they have it for 8th gen, 9th gen, 10th gen, 11th gen, for all the generations, hybrid racing, hell yeah. We're gonna get this installed. It's gonna go down here. It's two simple bolts. The installation is a bit, it's not so difficult, it's just finicky because of the position of some of the bolts where they're at. So one of them is down here, right under this sensor. It's right there to the left side. And the other one is back there. I don't know if you guys can see. Look, here's a transmission mount. And then the bolt is, let me see if I can try to get it down there. The other one is down here. Look, following the transmission thing. Here's the transmission mount. We're gonna go right about here. It should be on the side. I'm low-key having a struggle trying to look for it. It's right there. Right there, right down right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me put a little bit more light. Or try to get more light right there. It's the one all the way back there, like under this black thing, just right there, that one right there. It's on the side. It's on the side of the transmission. It's on the side. This is a transmission mount. It's on the side. If only I could reach down there and point it out for you guys. It's like right under this thing, right back there. It's like really hard to reach back there. So you're gonna have to remove the battery. I'll show you guys right now in a better position. So I have to remove the battery to get back there in a position. I have to remove my strut bar first, so that's an extra step for me. If you have a strut bar, gotta remove your strut bar to get the battery out. So let's start with that strut bar, battery, and then we have more space down there. The strut bar removal is as easy as this. Just lift it up one side, and then the other side should just lift up. There we go. I have this little extra piece right here, makes it get stuck sometimes. The little brace piece for the brake solenoid. Let's put that right there. 271. Damn, this sock is so dirty. PRL, shout out to PRL right here in this little sock. Oh my god, it's so dirty. I gotta clean this up. Boom. Okay, now battery time. Super simple. Let's just get this out the way. Some 10 millimeters right here. So disconnect the battery. Hell yeah. The strut bar out the way. Battery tied down out the way. Not to remove the freaking battery, which shouldn't be too bad. Freaking has this handle right here. This thing right here. Ah, there we go. Hell yeah. Battery out with the whole freaking thing. Should be seated better, just like that. Just leave it there on the side. And then now we can access what we need down here. So basically, like, this is how it is, guys. Okay, there's a detent spring right there. Detent spring is this one right here. This one, look, you see your shifter cables. Might be different for the 2.0T. Remember, this is the SI right here. Let me get closer with the light. It is that one right here. This one right here. Remember this little black little thing right here? Right there's a detent spring. If you guys look at it, see where it's at. You see it? Boom. Right there. See this little pointy end bolt, whatever? It's right here. This one right here. So what'll make it super easy to get that out is one of these tools right here, I believe. I believe that is a 10 millimeter. One of these is gonna be your best friend. A ratcheting wrench like this. Let's see if this works out. If not, we are doomed. So upon inspection, guys, those are not 10 millimeters, those are 12 millimeters on the detent spring bolt. So we're gonna remove this back one, and then I'll show you where the front one is at. It's literally right there behind that sensor that I said earlier. Right there. I'll show you guys right now, but let me get this one removed. First out the way, we're gonna use this 12 millimeter. It's a little tough right there, get it loose at first. Someone told me that you had to remove the transmission mount. This one right here, I figured, I don't think you need to. That makes it like way more difficult to just be removing the transmission mount. I think you could just do it without removing the transmission mount, and it is right here, right on the side. So let me try to figure that out. That's what freaking she said, but it's a little tight space down here, guys, but it's an easy install. It's an easy install from what I've seen, from the videos I've seen. Nobody really shows it really up close like this, how to get down there, but I figured it out. So let's see how to get this out. You see it sticking out, that bolt right there. And here it is. Damn, it's crazy. And then the spring is in there. I just gotta push it out, I believe. Yeah, spring is in there, guys, look. Right here's one of them, spring out, boom, right there. There's a Detent spring, the OEM ones. Then now we could swap it out for the new one, but we gotta compare them. There's a little bit of aceite, I believe that is normal, that's how it should be. So now we get the new ones and we compare and see which is which. One should be a bit longer, so let me see right now. These two are the new ones right here. So they are the same upon further inspection. I thought it was different, it was just how the picture showed it online. This is the side one in the back under the battery. So that'll be the hardest one because you got to remove the battery and all that. But now it's simple. Now you just put this back in. Put it back in there and boom. And look, it's more freaking stiff. Way more stiff than this. This right here. It says it's stiff, but you could compress a little more and it's smaller. And you got this one that's like this. So hell yeah, we could put this one back in now. So let's put this one back where it goes, back where it went. We'll put this one back where it goes, right down there in the same position, guys. I already showed you guys it's down there, literally right there, that hole right there. It's a tough little spot, but it's manageable, it's doable. I did it, so that means you guys can do it too as well. It's super simple, super simple. All right, guys, so you got that one back on, perfectly in there. There it is right there. See it right there? Boom, easy, right there. Even has like a little mark on the side. See it kind of right there? Yeah, that's where it is. The torque spec, it specifies on the instructions is 19 foot-pounds. I don't know how you're gonna get a freaking torque wrench down there, but you could do your best. I tried just as much as I could until it wouldn't go anymore, and then just a little bit, like a quarter turn more, and then that was it. So now we move on to the front, which is right here. It says to disconnect and put some light for you guys. It states to disconnect this little green thing right here, this sensor, which is right here. So let us disconnect that right here, and then it is the literally freaking cables in my way. It's literally right here, boom, right here under, right here. That Detent spring bolt is at. So let's get that out with a 12 millimeter. We can actually use a ratchet this time. We don't got to use this. So to get better access to that bolt right there, since this bracket is in the way, we got to disconnect it. The bolt is literally just right here, right under, literally right here, 10 millimeter right here. Get this off, and then that'll remove the bracket out of the way, just to give you a little bit more space to work with, because it's low-key in the way and it doesn't let you use the right ratchet. You need a little longer one, extended one, or longer tube one, a little socket. But that gets in the way low-key. Damn, my phone just fell. Good thing I got that TBW plate down there. Could reach down for it so easily. There we go, guys. Boom. Watch out, homie. I swear, man, these tight little spaces sometimes can get to you with the, if you got freaking bigger hands, bigger fingers and all that, but it's possible, it's doable, guys. Look at it, I'm accessing it like this. I'm gonna show you guys how it comes out right now. It's a little tight little space. I almost freaking cut myself right now trying to break this one loose. But I got so much space now. If you have a stock intake, you're gonna have to remove all of that out of the way to give you more space. But there we go, guys, and there's the Detent spring right in there. Boom, stick that one out. So that's the one that's longer. The one in the front is longer, OEM. The one in the rear is shorter, and then the new ones are the same thing. Just put it in there and boom, there we go. So now after we put this one on, before putting everything back on, like if you have your intake, the battery, strut bar, everything, let's go inside and make sure the gears actually move through perfectly without any issue, without no like hesitation, without nothing like feeling like they're not being moved into gear, without being forceful or anything. So let's make sure we install this correctly by moving through the gears real quick inside the car. You don't need to turn it on because your battery's off, you know, like you can't even turn it on. So I got the detent bolt back in there with the new spring. I haven't attached anything back on. No, that bracket is still loose, no battery, none of that. But let's go inside real quick and see how it feels, see if everything feels fine. You know, just to move the gears around. They should move without any hesitation or nothing. Oh shoot, I could tell you right now that it feels a bit stiffer, bro. Oh shoot, like even the side to side, it wasn't like that before. Oh damn. Oh shoot. Even the side to side, I mean, it has some wiggle, like I could punch a little side to side. I don't have a short shifter. I have a short shifter adapter. I have the 2021 Type R assembly. I had a whole video on that, guys, where I installed the Acuity pieces, the rocker arm, the spring, the things at the bottom, the base. I have the Acuity, the shifter bushing. So, but yeah, this feels good. Damn, it feels like, bro, it feels more precise. Yeah, it goes through all the gears like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then reverse. It gives it like a preciser feeling. Hell yeah, that's pretty nice. I have to drive a car now, bro. That's gonna be sick. I have to drive the car now just to test it out. That feels really nice. It feels better. Simple little install right there makes a huge difference to the driving experience, guys. So let's put everything back on, reverse everything back on. Super simple, guys. Cheap too. This is a cheap little install, like 30 bucks. 30 bucks, guys. Black Friday, go get yourself this. Go to Hybrid Racing or go to Unity Performance, link in the description. Use my code, get a discount. Hell yeah, guys. Hell yeah, guys. I just took it back from a little spin, quick little drive up and down the street. I forgot to record it, but bro, freaking, it's like still initializing on the car and everything because of the battery disconnect. But bro, this thing feels nice. It feels stiffer, more precise, more like how it should be, bro. Adding detent springs, 10 out of 10. You guys gotta get this in your car. Shout out to Hybrid Racing for the great product. Shout out to Unity Performance for the fast shipping. Link in the description. Go get yours today. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Peace out, guys.
Now you can check the whip and peel. Damn, this nigga is ill. Get shifting smooth as butter. Cut in and out of lanes undercover. Style, wow, my mirror, the rear view. You can never fly by, homie, I will see you. Mach 5, change terrains if need be. Thou shall never floor pass. I will the ID before you act on.